Alright, guys. Another trading day. Exciting. Am I recording my screen? Yeah. Okay, good. Right now we have BCDA, man. I don't know what it's doing. It was going crazy though for a bit. This one I kind of like, man. It like slowly builds up. Like from what I've seen from pre-market, it slowly comes up. There's some other stocks that I'm looking at. I mean, a lot of them are not like. This is probably the highest, the most volume. I don't know if it's our biggest gap, bro. I believe so though. The market's literally gonna open in less than a second. It's literally opening on the 130. Let's see. Thank you guys. I don't know why I feel so weird. I think it is. It's a little bit nerve-wracking a little bit. Market's gonna open. Boom. Totally forgot my fucking monitor has speaker. I got a new monitor, guys. That's not gonna. That's like a level right there. Damn. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna leave. I went 9 to 39. I went 10 cents and a quick rejection. This is, this stock looks insane. Like, what the hell just happened? $2 to 218. That's actually kind of insane. I'm not gonna lie. It's bouncing off 213 to 220. 7 cents. That's actually a lot. Yeah. The one that we were looking at, which is this one, see, it bounces 123, but if it passes it, oh, it's gonna be, yeah, that's crazy. This is like the next level that I know that might enter. Either here, might be here. I don't know why it's bouncing from there though. I mean, 2 million, another 2 million. Don't know why. It's that area that I can't beat. What the hell? I need to wait for a pullback. See if this shrinks up, that's really bad. But if it stays up here and then maybe comes to the pullback like this, that's not bad. Oh, get me in. Oh, let's call 144. Oh my god, I got into the 144 hold. But who knows? I don't even know, but maybe. Alright, guys, we're in the hold, man. Whew. Man, this stock was going crazy, though. Like, you guys saw, I was like, oh, maybe I'll get in. That pullback, I would have got in. Like, that pullback, I should have got in. Would have got like a 10 already, and then potentially even higher. But I do have my stop loss at 139. So what is that? 5 cents? Yeah, exactly 5 cents. I do have my stop loss there because that's where I want to like stay focused. There you go. I just got a notification on my phone that I got filled at 144, I believe so. 144. You guys see that? And we got into a halt. I like halts, but we got to be very, very careful. That's why I still have my stop loss there. In case if it does hit it, we're out of the trade. We don't have to worry. So, yeah, man. Right now, we're just seeing what happens, man. I do believe it's going to break. I don't know how much. So, this is what I'm thinking. Is either going to have one halt, but it's going to go one big halt, come back down a little bit, and then continue to another halt. All right. Okay. Let's figure my strategy. So what I'm thinking is it's gonna go right. It's gonna go up, obviously. Oh, actually, not obviously, because we never know, honestly. But what I'm trying to say is, if you're gonna hold right, the chances of going up are very, very high, right? And if it does, right, if it does go higher, that's where we have to think: is this gonna hit another one? So I think I should take half right here, half of 250. If I'm, let's see, 250. Divided by 2. It's 375. 375. So we're in a halt. That's pretty good on our end, but oh my, dude, I know if I would have got into here earlier, bro, because it started exploding, and I'm like, okay, I'm waiting for an opportunity for a pullback, and it gave me a pullback, a micro pullback, but I didn't end up getting it because I got scared, and then it just continued to go. I'm like, oh shit, and then we finally saw like a halt, which I was able to get in surprisingly. I want to say how late or how fast I got in the halt. But other stocks are actually doing incredibly good right now. There's one stock that I'm looking at that's doing crazy good right now. I'll be quick about it, but this stock is actually going insane. But it kind of looks, it's kind of goofy. I'm not gonna lie. So let's take these out because these are very confusing. It's like the first time in. And then what should I was called? Dude, I know we're in a halt, bro. And these take a while, obviously, because I gotta do research why things get into. I know because a lot of buyers are getting in, so it needs time to like, I guess, calculate maybe the market. I'm not 100% sure, but I definitely need to do my research on that. It's definitely one of the top scanner right now that I'm looking at has I think 50. Oh, it's coming back. Bro, it was a quick pump and dump, basically. Oh, did I sold? It's my working order. 750. Bro, it was just a quick pump and dump, man. I tried to get out, but I couldn't. Now we're in a halt on the downside, and it's gonna go lower. We got a notification, obviously, but this is a working order. That means it hasn't yet been filled. This went up to 155 at 142.10. 13 cents, which is actually not that bad, but oh my god, bro. But this comes to show you, us a lot, is that like these things can go extremely up quick, but they also come down very quick as possible. We're seeing that right now, man. Now I'm in a down halt, literally in a halt to the downside, and I probably will lose more than I wanted to because, you know, this is the market that we're in, man. A lot of people just, I guess, just buy and sell quick as possible, and that's what they wanted to do, which, you know, you can't do anything about it, man. Obviously, this is part of trading, and yeah, man, I know it sucks, bro. It went up, pump up quick, and it just reversed as quick as possible. I don't know, man. It went 150, so it was like a psychology level, I guess. Dude, everyone's trying to get at 173. Everyone's trying to get at 170, 137. I'm trying. Well, I think that's lower than my stop loss I think I had. Where did I get in? I get in at 142. 5. Where did I get in? I get in 144, so I'm 139, so I'm literally 2 cents below it, and I still didn't get filled to get out. But that's the calculation, how much I would have lost. I mean, but it's still a working order. It's gonna drop lower, obviously, man. Holds are scary, guys. Skulls are very scary, but we gotta be very, very careful with these. Because it went up, like it extended. That's usually a good sign, and then it dropped, and then it hit the fill at 144. And usually we want to see it creeping up back up again, but you know that's not always the case, right? That's not always the case. I don't think this is. Yeah, it's like it's coming up, but PCT is coming up open. What are the odds, man? I thought I had a chat. I don't have it anymore. But everyone just try to buy and then just sell as quick as possible. Which is I guess I gotta figure those out because with this stock it was funny because I was looking at it and I'm like, okay, look, like this stock when it was in pre-market it climbed up, right? It climbed up pretty slowly. It was like slowly going up, and then obviously reversed, and then it went a crazy amount. It went all the way. I mean, if you're talking, we went up 30 cents, 34 cents, I think so. Yeah, 34 cents doing the calculations right. 34 cents, which is obviously if you got the absolute bottom right. I didn't, right? I got into where everyone else got in. And then at 144, at 155, I got out 137. So $75 loss, or 10 cents loss. Extraordinarily, like, yeah. Yeah, 134. 130. And 42 is where the last previous, that was the previous hold. Seems they're not able to break it. I mean, the market's, oh, that's probably why everything's going crazy. The SPY right now is going crazy. So the S&P is like super fucking bullish. We just created a new high of the in the past few weeks. So from the 15, yeah, it's actually going crazy. Oh yeah, we just creating new highs for this. That's probably why it's going crazy. Oh, damn. Bro, we just gotta roll with the punches, man. You know what I'm saying? Fuck it. It's part of trading. We took a really big loss that we didn't want to, of course, but that's obviously unfortunate. So yeah, man, we got in. Look, bro, we unfortunate $70 off, man. We lost, guys. This is not what I gained. I'll be extremely happy if it did, but obviously, just didn't go our way, man. Unfortunately, it didn't go our way, and it went up to a quick dip. I was excited. I'm like, ooh, we were in the green. Like, the thing is, I'm glad that I was like able to stick to my rules, like we said, guys. Look, if you look back on it, man, it's crazy, bro. Yeah, I was just gonna fall, dude. Everyone knows this stock is a piece of shit, literally. Nah, I was kidding. But nah, man, we saw, bro. We got in when everyone else can. It went up, pumped up to 155, and unfortunately, we couldn't get out, man. You know, I mean, we could have, but I was thinking like maybe this continue to go higher. Obviously, this is not one of these stocks that was gonna do that for us. It was not that bullish, man. It was more of a quick pump and dump, man. Uh, but it might be because maybe it was very overextended. A lot of people were buying here. They pushed up, just a little bit up, just to get out. It could have been. Um, but like I said, this is part of trading, guys. You know, this is gonna happen. Everyone knows this is gonna happen. Not everything is gonna go our way, and some things, it would have been nice. It would have been nice if it would have went our way. We got a 144. We actually got a 144, right? So 144, right? 1 point. Oh shit. 1.44 minus 1.55. 11. I would have got only 11 cents, and not even that because I would have been like 152. I'll probably get out. I'm telling you, if I would have got out, I would have got in from that pullback from right here, 134. I would have got on that pull 134, Boom. Boom. That would have gone crazy. I'm like, whoa. But yeah, man, I'm done. I'm done with the stock, man. Like I said, unfortunate. But hey, the thing is that we're gonna have to look on the replay on this, because that's what we do every single time we trade. Win or loss, doesn't matter. We got to see what happened and maybe what can prevent it from next time, right? Cause that's simply the truth, man. I'm gonna punch. Wait, if I move, you can see. Yeah, you guys will still see the primary over here. So let me get this. Obviously, this is the scanner. Oh, oops. Scanner. Who's in? We're gonna go to our channel and we're gonna just see, man. I know, man. Look, things happen. What can you do about them except just move on? And you know, it was just unfortunate, bro. Like, I honestly not disappointed myself, because honestly, what could we do, right? We could have done that much. We're gonna just have to accept our loss, man. There was a lot of people buying in. I wanted to get in as well. Wow, this is really in the beginning. But either way, like right here, right? We see the stock moving up crazy amount of fast, and I'm like, okay, this is really good. I'm like, if I wait for a pullback, like a necessary pull, like a pretty good pullback, I can probably get in. So like, if that hole right there, that's good. Like, that's fine. We're super bullish still. That should have been the pullback I could have got in. But I was staring at it, and then I got it. I took a while though. Let's see, look, one Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Well, all right, we're three or 4 seconds, which is obviously not that bad. But ooh, everyone started buying in, everyone, and then we get it to a halt, and then I'm like, look, this is not bad. Halts are they're not that bad, right? They're pretty good, because it's indicating that the probability it's gonna go higher. Not all the time, but either way, look, okay. All right, the second right here pushes up. It pushes, it went down to right here, and it pushes up. So that's kind of strange. But it went up to 155, right? And I'm like, okay, cool, like that's great. And I was gonna sell, but look, I'm hesitating, because I'm like, okay. Then I'm like, okay, here, usually it's gonna like fill that gap, and it's gonna come back up, and then boom, strike down. And that's, I'm like, I need to get out. I need to get out, because if I don't get out here, I'm not gonna get out at all. So look, I'm in that position. I flattened it, and I was like, okay, I need to get out. I'm trying to sell. And there you go. That's unfortunate, right? Because we were up, right? We were like, okay, we were up. We're like, okay, that's great, man. And what I know from being in the stock market, I'm like, okay, usually it fills this gap, and then it goes and kills it up and goes higher. And that's unfortunate. We didn't get to see that with this stock, and we took a little bit bigger of a hit, man. Is there a reason why it happened? Probably not, man. Like, people just wanted to buy real quick and get out as possible. Just get in and get out quick as possible, right? So they were just wanting to break the new high, and that's it, man. That was simple for them, right? For me, right, I was hoping for even bigger, right? I was like, all right, cool, I get in, everyone's getting in, boom, fill that gap, come back up to 155, maybe hit up to $2, and then $2 would probably be my profit target to get out. And that would have been great. That would have been a great trade for me. And yeah, but this is the stock market for you guys, man. Like I said, look, it was a pretty great trade. Like I said, I'm not disappointed, because I followed my plan. You know, I stick to it. I'm like, okay, I saw an opportunity and I took it. It went my way, but then it just reversed really against me, just because everyone else was thinking, hey, I'm just going to get in and out quick as possible. I was thinking a little bit more long term. I was like, not long term, but I guess I was thinking more of a, optimistic, right? So I was like, oh, because of what I seen before, it fills these gaps usually, because it gapped up. Well, that's what it looked like. It had a line actually, but it gapped up, and then it usually comes down here, and then it fills this gap, right? It fills the gap, and then it continues to go higher. Not every time, but usually, right? But hey, man, that's, like I said, man, that's a stock market, bro. Yeah, I took a bigger loss that I wanted to, a way bigger loss. Right? But hey, at least we got out as soon as possible. That's the point of the trading, man. If it goes against you, just get the hell out. Just get the hell out. I'm trusting you guys. I'm telling you guys, just get out because it's not gonna be worth it in the end, man. We got out, so yeah, man. And that was a trading day, bro. Right? We can't do nothing than just to move on and just wait for tomorrow, see if there's another opportunity, and just see what happens. And just I was gonna say hope, but not really. Just just stick to your plan, man. Literally, just stick to the plan, man. I stick to it, yes, but you can't really do anything when there's in a halt on the downside. Sometimes you'll get filled, and sometimes you won't. I didn't get to fill to the downside, to that halt. Right, got in a little bit late. But hey, that's trading for you guys. But other than that, man, I'm gonna get off. Obviously, I don't know. I don't really feel anything because I feel like I didn't do anything wrong. I feel like I stick to my plan. It just sometimes you don't. Oh shit! Alright, just click off. I thought I click off this. Let me get you guys over here real quick. Alright. Like I did what I needed to do and stuff, and it's not always gonna go your way, right? So I just don't feel like I did anything. I want to say wrong, but I feel like I didn't do anything bad because I feel like I stick to my rules, and yeah, man, like I generally felt like I stick to my rules, right? I got in when there was opportunity, and went in my way, but then it just reversed very fast against me, and I feel like I just need to do a better reading on halts. Like I said, I haven't really got good at trading halts. I'm only getting it decent. I know some that fill the gap and then goes up higher, right, from that previous high, and just continue to go higher, maybe to another halt, and then continue high, and then it goes to. I know that it goes to 2 halts sometimes. If it's really bullish, it goes to 2 halts, right? It goes to the first halt, and then it comes back down to maybe like the gap there it has, and it goes up to a new high, and then it goes to another halt, and that other halt where it will come down a little bit probably, and then or continue higher, and then that would be like the end of the halt. Because, dude, if it gives a higher and higher and higher, that's gonna be a crazy trade. But yeah, man, I'm just yapping, bro. But yeah, man, obviously it's not a great feeling, but hey, it's like I said, man, like I don't feel like I did anything wrong. I feel like I did a pretty good job of a pretty good job of just understanding like, hey, it didn't go my way, and just getting it fast as possible, which I did. Obviously I got way lower than I was supposed to, way more lower, but you can't do anything about it, man. You know what I'm saying? So hey, man, it's just part of trading. But I'm gonna get off though. I'm gonna get off this time. I'm gonna get off, let my brain reset, and just continue my day. And to be honest, these days are like, even when I have a red day or whatever, these don't really affect my days. It's just I'm just glad I'm able to learn and like have this opportunity to just continue learning. Let's make these mistakes now, which I don't believe I did make a mistake. I think I just, I'm saying, I didn't really understand, right? You know what I'm saying, what was going on. But hey, man, like I said, I'm gonna get on tomorrow again. To where tomorrow is Wednesday, so I have a full day tomorrow. I don't have work, and I think Thursday as well, because I gotta do my driver license on Thursday. So I'm gonna take the whole day off as well, because I need to do that. Don't worry, I'm gonna be able to trade on Thursday because my driving test is still later on the day, so I'm still able to trade. But yeah, man, we're not gonna let this put us down, right? Obviously, take this as a learning lesson. That just means I got more to learn, bro. A lot more to learn. And hey, if it's nothing me, I love learning, bro. I love learning about things I love to learn about, of course. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for this time. I'm dipping.